Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm super excited to bring you a hands-on review of an incredible find from Amazon, one that's perfect for chess lovers, collectors, and anyone who enjoys a touch of modern luxury in their everyday life. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest reviews and guides. Now let's dive in. Black Pawn Experience. Modern luxury chess sets like never before. Looking for the perfect blend of modern elegance, craftsmanship, and functionality? The 15 is Handmade Chess Set with British Army metal chess pieces redefines what you expect from modern luxury chess sets. This premium set combines sophisticated style with practical features, promising a chess experience that's a cut above the rest on Amazon. You will find the link to the product in the description, and please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss more awesome reviews. Why choose this modern luxury chess set? Superior craftsmanship, skillfully handmade by expert artisans, this set boasts a high-quality wooden board and stunning British Army-inspired metal chess pieces. Every element is designed with durability and timeless elegance in mind, giving you an heirloom quality set that stands out in any space. Optimal dimensions for all players. The 15x15 chessboard, 3.15 as king, 1.97 pawns, delivers the ideal size for serious play and easy storage. Perfectly sized for intense matches or casual sessions, it's as practical as it is stylish. Lasting generational gift. More than just a game, this chess set is a memorable gift. Its sturdy build and classic appeal ensure it will be cherished and passed down, making it a symbol of thoughtful giving, ideal for Father's Day, birthdays, or special occasions. Educational and entertaining for all ages. Suitable for beginners and enthusiasts alike, this modern luxury chess set helps boost strategic thinking and provides meaningful entertainment for families, friends, and children eager to learn the art of chess. Smart, secure storage. No more missing pieces. With a built-in drawer beneath the board, you can keep every piece organized and safe, combining aesthetics with everyday practicality. You will find the link to the product in the description, and please subscribe to the channel for more reviews like this. Why modern luxury chess sets are essential. Modern luxury chess sets go beyond basic gameplay. They transform every match into an unforgettable experience. This set delivers a statement piece. Elevate your home, office, or study with its elegant design. Stress relief and brain training. Enjoy hours of focus, challenge your spirit, and mental engagement. The ultimate gift. Impress loved ones with a present that blends tradition, luxury, and fun. What sets this chess set apart from the rest on Amazon? Unlike mass-produced alternatives, this chess set stands out for its artisanal craftsmanship, premium materials, practical storage, and themed design. It is not only functional, but also a decorative masterpiece. The attention to detail ensures you enjoy a chess set that's not just another product, but a true conversation starter and legacy piece. Don't settle for ordinary. Choose modern luxury chess sets. Upgrade your chess experience with the finest 15 handmade set featuring British Army metal pieces, smart storage, and universal appeal. Perfect for gifting, collecting, or elevating your daily match, it's the modern luxury chess set you've been searching for. Order now and enjoy a new level of sophistication, fun, and lasting value every time you play. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and of course, subscribe if you enjoyed this review. Drop any questions in the comments below, and check the description for the link to this amazing modern luxury chess set. Until next time, keep playing and keep elevating your style. Black Pawn.